Hello friends, today I will show you how to use the coffee machine at IKEA. First, just choose your desired coffee and then place your coffee mug as shown in the screen and press OK. Then insert the coin provided by the cashier in exchange of your payment. Then the machine will start preparing your coffee and pour it out onto your mug. Just be careful because it is really very hot. And when it's full, the machine will show in the screen a message, please remove. Then that's the only time you can get your coffee.